Welcome to all. SV Union High School and Junior College. Subject EVS 1, Standard 5th, Lesson number 7, Part 3. In the front of you, now you are going to see two pictures. One picture is of Sant Gadge Baba and second one is of Rashtrasant Tukoji Maharaj. See what they are telling us. Observe the picture of them and I am telling you what they are telling us. See, from that picture they are telling us Sant Gadge Baba used kirtans to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. Means they are when you are observing the picture of these two, they are telling us that they use kirtan to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. He told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. He showed people how to clean the village through his own action. Now see children, what they are telling, you have observed the picture of these two sons and they are telling us that they use kirtans. You know what are the kirtans? To stress the importance of keeping the village clean. Means from that kirtan they are expressing their views, they are expressing their thought and they are telling the importance of keeping the village clean. He told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness. This is absolutely correct. Why? Because one thought is related with the cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to the godliness. Why? Because when the cleanliness is there, we feel very happy. We feel to sit there. Got it? And where dirt is there, we cannot able to sit or we cannot drink water also in that particular area or in your house also if the house is not clean. So these two sant are telling us that we cannot make progress without cleanliness. And we cannot make progress in the education and self-reliance. He showed people how to clean the village through his own action. Means by showing his own action, he has showed the people how to keep the village clean. Then after that they are telling us Rashtrasant Tukoji, means the picture which is in front of you of Rashtrasant Tukoji Maharaj explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. See that Gita is written in front of you. Myoni Karavi Gram Safai, नाली मोरी टाई टाई, हस्ते पर हस्ते साफ सर्वही, चहूकडे मार्ग. Now from this is wording, he is expressing us, he has explained us the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. Then next, newspaper carry several articles about Shramdham. The newspapers which nowadays everyone is reading the newspaper. So here they are telling us the newspaper carries several articles about Shramdham. Clear? Collect these articles, discuss the thing that can be achieved through it. Means children, they are telling us that in the newspaper there are the articles coming related with the Shramdham. So you should try to collect that articles and discuss the thing can be achieved through the articles. Clear? Now let us start with the next one. See in the last paragraph what they are telling us. In front of you, you can see that paragraph what they are telling us. For a society to be peaceful, the basic need of all of its sections need to be made. Means they are telling that for a society to be peaceful, if there should be peace in a society, the whatever basic needs are there, it has to be every people should get that basic need. Each person must get the necessary security. Mean the security should be there for every person. The exploitation in society must stop. The exploitation which are there in the society, it has to be stopped. Inequality must decrease. Inequality must decrease. Everyone must have the right to participate in public life. Everyone should participate in public life by learning the importance of peace, and by using peaceful method we can create a peaceful environment. Means we can create a peaceful environment in our family, school and community. Do you know, in order for peace to spread worldwide and for nation to be able to strive for the development of their people, 21st September has been designated by the UN as International Peace Day. On this day in New York, where the United Nations have their headquarters, a bell is rung at 10 o'clock in the morning. This is followed by a few moments of silence. This bell has been made from coins given by people from around 60 nations. If you would like to know more about this, visit the following website which is in the front of you.
See children, we have finished with the lesson. In the lesson, we have learned about everything, how to solve our own problem. In that, we have learned about issues in civics life, then solving dispute, means how to solve the dispute. Then third thing, we have learned about the problem solving, means how to solve the particular problem if you face in your life or any problem. Then I have also given you the example of the great Sant, that is of Sant Gadge Baba and Sant Rashtrasant Tukoji Maharaj. After that, I have explained you about the peace, how to keep the peace in the society. Then do you know, in that also we have learned about the 21st September has been designated by the UN as International Peace Day. So you should always remember one thing which is in front of you. You can see, if there is peace in the family, means in your family, in your school and the society where you are living, everyone will benefit. Why it will be benefit? Because the peace brings all this benefit anywhere in your life. Peace contributes significantly to progress, means to get a progress in our life, the peace is most important. So we should keep peace everywhere. It creates scope for advance in various fields like business, industry, education. For education, it is very important for you to maintain peace in your life. If there is a peace, everything will come to you, all problem will be solved. Then they are telling that it creates scope for art also, literature, entertainment, science and technology. So in this way, peace becomes a social value rather than a personal need. Now in this last slide, you can see what we have learned. I have already told you what we have learned, which is given in the notebook, the subtopic. I have already explained you, but here in this slide, here the subpoints are given. See, very first one. Everyone has a responsibility to solve problems in civics life. Second one, problems can be solved if everyone cooperates. Very important point is this. Third, dialogue and discussion can help solve disputes. This is also important. Then the fourth one, disputes can be solved peacefully. Now before this only, in that slide I have explained you the importance of the peace. So same thing is repeated over here. Then, the next point, if there is peace in the family, school, and society, everyone benefits. Then, the last point, peace is a social value. This is the end of the lesson number 7, that is, let us solve our own problems. Thank you.